This is how to set up the voicemail on your iPhone. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to a cell phone carrier, because otherwise you won't be receiving calls and there'll be no voicemails. Let's pull down from the top to get the control center. If it shows your cell phone provider up here and there's bars for reception, then you likely have your carrier set up properly and you're ready to receive phone calls and voicemails. If you don't see that, you want to pop into the settings. And I'm just going to turn down the brightness a little bit here. And then go to Cellular. And if we scroll down a bit here, it should show your phone number. That should be your correct phone number. The network should be the carrier that you're with. It should say it up here as well. And if it shows that there, but for some reason it's not showing up here, it should still be okay. But if it's not showing up here either with your cell phone and the carrier, you should contact your carrier to make sure everything's set up properly. If all those things look right, then let's shut down the settings. If you get value throughout this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps a lot and I really appreciate it. Let's pop into the phone, and on the bottom right we have a voicemail tab. Mine's already set up, as you can see, but when you come here there's going to be a little notification saying you want to set up your voicemail. You're going to tap a button and it's going to take you to this greeting page. And this is where you first set up your voicemail. You can have a default greeting, which is just generic, this is the voicemail box of this phone number, something like that, computer voice type of thing. You can also set up a custom greeting. You tap on the custom greeting, you can press record, and it starts to record your custom greeting. You just talk to your phone and it's going to record it. Then tap stop when you're done recording, press the play button to play it back. If you're happy with how that is, oh, that's really loud. If you're happy with how that is, then you can go ahead and tap that check mark right there. If you want to re-record it, just tap on re-record, and you can do that as many times as you want. You can re-record this all day until it's perfect. Once you're happy, tap that check mark. I'm going to put mine back to default. I get so many spam calls, I just keep mine on default all the time. Okay, so now that we have that recording, that greeting created, let's check out what an actual voicemail looks like. If I tap into any one of these, it shows who the call is from. It gives you options to play the message back. You can even share it right here. And it gives you a transcription of the message. Transcription can be hit or miss, but this one's pretty solid. And you can manage all of it right from your phone. Gone are the days where you have to call into your voicemail box and listen to your voicemails. You can just quickly read them on your phone. It's so much easier to manage. If you want to delete voicemails, just tap on the trash can. You can also swipe and tap on the trash can. If you have a whole ton of voicemails, you want to mark them all as read, just tap on edit in the top left corner. Select all the voicemails you want to mark as read. The ones with the blue dot signify that it's unread, so these ones are read already, but that's okay. Just for the sake of this example, let's pretend these are all unread. Select them all, mark as read. I'll take that blue dot away, and it also takes away the little notification number on top of the voicemail tab down here. You are able to call your voicemail box if you want to do that. Just tap on this call button, and then it's going to call your voicemail. I have no messages. Excellent. So now, something else you might want to know about is how do we get that transcription? That's not a setting that's on by default in most cases. So to get that turned on, we go to the settings app. Let's go back out to the very first part of the settings, the first page. Let's scroll down all the way till we get to apps. Tap on apps, tap on the P on the right side, or scroll down till you get to the P section, and then tap on phone. Here, scroll all the way down till you get to live voicemail. It's about halfway down the page. This allows you to view a transcript of an incoming voicemail and answer the call before it ends. That's pretty cool. It's kind of like in the really old school days where you had a landline and a voice or an answering machine where you could hear them talking as you're leaving a message. You can answer the call as they're talking. You can now do that by reading the transcript. And maybe it's a number you don't recognize, but then you recognize who it is based on what they're saying in the transcript, and you can quickly answer the call. So that's a pretty cool feature, having that turned on. Let's scroll down to the very bottom again. And at the very, very bottom, we have the ability to change your voicemail password. Just in case you're locked out of your voicemail, or you forget your password or what have you, you can tap on this. You can change your voicemail password to whatever you want. It's basically a number or PIN code. and then you have a new voicemail password to log into your voicemail. If for whatever reason you are unable to access this page and tap on the call button, you can get to your voicemail by just holding the number 1, and that will call your voicemail. And that's about all there is to it. If you got value from this video, please let me know by liking and subscribing. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's got to be done on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.